Welcome to this lesson on practice makes perfect. Today we will explore how consistency and daily practice are the keys to mastering English and achieving your learning goals. This is part of the English Learning from Scratch series, where we build strong foundations together. Let's understand why consistency is so important. First, when you practice regularly, your brain builds stronger neural pathways. This means your brain creates lasting connections that help you remember and use what you learn. Second, small daily efforts compound into significant improvement over time. Think of it like planting a seed. You water it a little bit each day, and over weeks and months, it grows into a strong plant. Your English skills grow the same way. Now let's look at some powerful numbers. Research shows it takes 21 days to form a habit. After 66 days of consistent practice, something becomes part of your routine. To reach true expertise and mastery in any skill, studies suggest you need about 10,000 hours of practice. This shows us that excellence comes from consistent, dedicated effort over a long period of time. Here are 3 essential steps to build your practice routine. First, set a fixed time every day for practice. Choose a time that works best for you and stick to it. This creates a habit your brain recognizes and expects. Second, start small with 15 to 30 minutes daily. This helps you build momentum without feeling overwhelmed. Starting with manageable sessions keeps you motivated. Third, track your progress. Keep a journal or checklist to record what you practice each day. Seeing your progress written down keeps you motivated and helps you stay accountable. Daily practice brings 2 major benefits. First is muscle memory. Through repetition, your responses become automatic. When you practice the same phrases or grammar patterns regularly, your brain learns to use them without thinking. This is like learning to drive a car. At first, it feels difficult, but after practice, your hands and feet move automatically. Second, momentum builds as you maintain consistency. Each day you practice, you create unstoppable progress. Success builds on success, and you become more confident in your abilities. Here is an important truth to remember. Small daily improvements are the keys to staggering long-term results. This quote reminds us that you do not need to do everything perfectly or practice for hours at a time. Even small, consistent improvements each day will lead to amazing results over time. This is the real secret to success in learning English. Most learners face 2 common challenges. The first challenge is no time. Many people feel too busy to practice daily. They think they need long practice sessions to make progress. The second challenge is lack of motivation. When results do not come quickly, it is easy to stop practicing. You might feel like your efforts are not working. But remember, progress is not always visible immediately. These challenges are normal, and we have solutions for them. Here are 2 powerful solutions. First, use micro-sessions. 5 to 10-minute practice sessions fit into any schedule. You can practice while waiting for the bus during your lunch break or before bed. Short sessions are better than no sessions. Second, celebrate your wins. Track small victories every day. Did you learn 5 new words today? That is a win. Did you speak English sentences for 5 minutes? That is a win. When you celebrate these small victories, your motivation grows stronger. Remember, consistency and daily practice are your pathways to mastery. Start today and transform your English skills.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.